He's a monster at the brick making. So that's Mike, everyone. And then the Harry. Those are my two assistants. The Harry. Harry Cash. So it's about 39 pounds. That's all in that. I'll put that in the group chat. Cold water, but I've heard that. I'm not gonna say it doesn't exist, but I've never had that problem. And right? The wand. Okay, go ahead. So see that? So now send it to the wand. Get a bucket and then pour it lightly. Down a little bit. Yeah. And just go like try to travel it a little bit. Go with cells up. Sometimes you just do one side and then we'll do the other side. You can start with the bucket.
Pour it on top of it. Here's the layout. This is for cleaning the buckets. Keep our tools over here. Let me come in here. This is where we oil the forms. Pull the panels out, oil them. These bricks actually should be on that side, closer to the house, the dome. Every cement here close by. Ideally, your cement would be over there, closer to where you're going to use it. Quality control table with your scales, the correct recipe written on the table or a card close handy. Generators over there, the Dragon, soap, aircrete, and then the frames. And then over here, like I say, after you finish your bricks, put your bricks over by your dome.
It's not. And
you're ready to go.
It's not even your own rock, right?
Hit her with a mouthful. It's a working lunch. Show me how to do it.